How does my behaviour at an open for an inspection have an impact on securing a property? My name is David Malouf, Director of Highland Double Bay Malouf. My advice is go in, don't play the game, and try and secure it. I find personally, when I'm dealing with a buyer and they're asking me the right questions, price point, how long it's probably been on the market for, why the vendor's selling, it's about having the communication with that agent. And more importantly, at the property, if it's something of interest and you're engaging, ask for that contract. If you're showing the agent that you're genuine and you want a contract and you want that sent to your lawyer ASAP, as an agent, I'm going to prioritise straight to you. So my advice to the public is, if you want to buy and you don't want to miss out, do your homework from day one, but also deal with the agent, form a rapport, and just be straightforward and say, listen, this is where I'm at. I like the property. This is my budget. Am I wasting my time? Best way to be.